And here we go. Starter is up in place. Got the bolts started right there. And came over here and reached under and lifted the starter up just to give it get it wiggled around, and got the starter bracket on. And my the battery connecting bolt stud is right there, ready to hook up. We got this little guy here. It's going to bolt right up to that stud that's poking out there. And then we'll put it all back together. I've got the slave cylinder started there. So, and that took me about 7.5 minutes. So not that big of a deal when you get everything, like I say, out of your way. Fender well and the slave cylinder and all that stuff. And it goes pretty good. So we're moving on.